Hi friends, welcome to the channel The Nurse. There is an information regarding new vacancies. So that is in RMLIMS Lucknow Nursing Officer Recruitment 2025. We will see the details. Before that, if you are not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. It is a UP state government recruitment. We will see the details of vacancy. Details of RMLIMS Lucknow Nursing Officer Recruitment. Post name is Nursing Officer. Address Dr. Ram Manohar Lohia, Institute of Medical Science, Vibhuti Khand, Gomti Nagar, Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. Pay scale, it is same like central government pay scale. Level 7, 7 CPC. That pay band according to 6 CPC, 9,300 to 34,800. Grade pay 4,600. Total number of vacancy is 422, and in that unreserved category or general category 169 vacancies are there, OBC category 114, SC category 88, ST category 9, EWS category 42, and physically disabled candidates 16 vacancy. So in that reservation, that is OBC, SC, ST, EWS, PWD, all reserved candidates for that is Uttar Pradesh domicile candidates only. So outside candidates can apply in unreserved category, even if they are belongs to OBC, SC, ST in outside state other than Uttar Pradesh, they will consider under unreserved category or general category because it is a state government job vacancy. So in that case, educational qualification include either BSc nursing or post BSc nursing, or diploma in general nursing and midwifery candidates also can apply, but they should have 2 years of experience in a 50 bedded hospital after acquiring the qualification. Only for diploma GNM candidates needed 2 years experience. For BSc nursing and post BSc nursing candidates, no need for experience. Age limit is 40 years, but if you are belongs to Uttar Pradesh reserved categories, according to government rule, the age limit will be extended. Application starts from 21st of October 2025 and last date of application 20th November 2025. There will be an application fee for unreserved OBC EWS category 1180 rupees for application, and for SC ST category 708 rupees. If you belongs to physically disabled category, then no need for application fee. Then how to apply? So application completely through online process. You need to visit Dr. RMLIMS Lucknow's official website, that is www.drrmlims.ac.in. So if you are visiting our website, you can directly click from here. So it will redirect to official website. So after opening that, you need to click the link online form submission. In that, you need to register. After reading instruction carefully, you need to fill the form and submit registration form. So you will get a user ID and password, and later you can open it with the user ID and password and fill the adequate information. You need to upload the passport size photo, signature, and relevant documents including experience, caste certificate, if etc. And after that, it will show a preview. Then if it is correct, you can submit the form. Then it will leads to payment section. So you need to make payment through online mode, and after that you need to download the payment receipt also. Application fees once paid are not refundable. Then selection process including two examination, one for screening examination, second for main examination. Both examination will be conducted bilingually. That means you can opt in Hindi or English language. In both language, question paper will be there. In screening examination, this is qualifying examination only for purpose of appearing in the main exam. So mark obtained in screening examination will not be considered for final selection. Final selection based on the mark you scored in main examination. Screening examination just for appearing for main examination. Only candidates who secure category-wise minimum qualifying marks in the screening exam will be considered for main exam. A maximum of 10 times of number of advertised posts per category will be shortlisted for the main examination. So there is 412 vacancies. So maximum 4,000 candidates will be shortlisted for main exam. Main exam, that is final selection will be based solely on the marks obtained in the main exam. Selection will be done category wise in accordance with the merit and reservation norms. Regarding this main exam will be main and screening exam will be computer based test. In that syllabus, the syllabus for both screening and the main examination will be the same. Both exam will be conducted in bilingual format, both Hindi and English. Each exam will be 2 hours duration. Each exam will carry a total of 100 marks. Both exam will be consist multiple choice questions only. So in the syllabus, 60 marks questions from your nursing subject only. After that, 10 marks for general English, 10 marks for general knowledge, 10 marks for reasoning, and 10 marks for mathematical aptitude. Total 100 marks. So there will be 1 mark for each correct answers, and there will be negative marking for wrong answers. 0.25 negative mark will be there for each wrong answer. Qualifying marks for unreserved and EWS category 50 percentage. SC, ST, OBC, PWD category 40 percentage mark you need to score. Then you will be qualified. And you can see the original notification here. And if you want to download, you can click the download. And official website, I already told, www.drmlims.ac.in. During application filling or during payment, if you have any doubt and if you need a help means, you can contact in this mobile number, or you can also send a mail to rmlims.helpdesk.gmail.com. So that is about vacancy detail. If you have any doubt means, you can ask in comment section. So that is about this video. Thank you for watching this video.